Okay, now explain integration theorems. The first theorem, integral root under a square minus x square dx. Here one function given. Let us take second function is g of x is equal to 1. So now we should apply integral by parts formula. So we have formula integral f of x g of x dx is equal to first function into integration of second function minus integration of derivative of first function into integration of second function. So according to this formula, we should write in the place of f of x, write first function root under a square minus x square, g of x place in write 1. So what is the formula? Here f of x place in root a square minus x square integral 1 dx minus integration of derivative of root under a square minus x square first function integration of second function whole dx. So let us take statement is I is equal to root under a square minus x square into 1 dx value we get x. Derivative integration get cancelled. Minus derivative of root function we get 1 by 2 root function. 1 by 2 root times of a square minus x square. According to chain rule, differentiation of under root value a square differentiation 0. Differentiation of minus x square is minus 2x, 1 dx value x dx. So I is equal to root under a square minus x square into x minus, so what we get here minus x into x minus x square by denominator. Here what let us observe denominator a square minus x square here there. So minus x square before plus a square here there. So that's why on numerator 1 a square adding and subtraction. 1 a square adding and subtraction. What we get here minus integral a square minus x square by using individual division a square minus x square by root function. That is the first function here. Minus a square by root under a square minus x square. This is second function. Okay. So from statement I is equal to root a square minus x square into x minus here one root cancel. A square minus x square by root under a square minus x square. Same one root cancel. Here same value there. One root get cancelled. Integral root a square minus x square dx. Here minus into minus it will be plus. Here a square constant integration of dx by root under a square minus x square. So we have this formula is sin inverse of x by a. Here I is equal to x into root a square minus x square. This relation we should write from statement this is I. This is nothing but statement minus I plus a square times of this formula is sin inverse of x by a. The minus I sending other side it will become plus I. I plus I 2i is equal to x into root a square minus x square plus a square times of sin inverse of x by a plus c. Okay, but what is required? I is required. I is required. So divide 2 on both sides. I is equal to, so x by 2 times of root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 times of sin inverse of x by a plus c. Here divide 2 on both sides right here. After that we get answer. Okay, next continuation. Second theorem. Integral root under x square minus a square dx. Here also by using integral by parts formula. So let us take second function is 1 is g of x. So first function is f of x, second function is g of x. We get according to formula in the place of f of x we should write root x square minus a square. G of x place and write 1 dx minus d by dx of first function is root under x square minus a square. Integration of g of x dx is 1 dx dx. So let us take statement is I is equal to root x square minus a square into 1 dx value we get x. Derivative integration get cancelled. Minus differentiation of root function is 1 by 2 root function. Differentiation of root x square minus a square is 1 by 2 root x square minus a square. According to chain rule, differentiation of x square minus 1 is Differentiation of x square is 2x minus a square derivative is 0. Difference integration of 1 dx is x dx. The first function write as it is here minus x into x we get x square. X square dx by root x square minus a square. So let us observe here denominator function minus a square here there. So that's why on numerator subtraction and adding a square. Subtraction and adding a square. If denominator plus a square is there, in numerator we should write add and subtraction a square. Okay, minus of here x square minus a square by root function plus a square by root function. So by using here individual division, one root value get cancelled here. So minus root under x square minus a square, this minus multiplied all here. Minus into plus it will be minus a square times of dx by root x square minus a square. So I is equal to x times of root x square minus a square. This root under x square minus a square is nothing but from statement this is I minus a square into we have this formula. What is the formula? Log of variable plus denominator. This is the formula. Log of x plus root x square minus a square plus c. This minus I sending other side. It will going to be plus I plus I is we get 2i. 2i is equal to x into root x square minus a square minus a square times of log of x plus root x square minus a square plus c. So we get I. I is equal to divide 2 on both sides x by 2 root x square minus a square minus a square by 2 log of x plus root x square minus a square plus c. Okay, now I am going to explain next theorem. Integral root under x square plus a square dx. Here one function given. Let us take second function is g of x is 1. So by using integral by parts formula. So what is the formula? Integration of f of x g of x is equal to first function into integration of second function minus integration of derivative of first function into integration of second function. So according to this formula, we should write in the place of f of x root x square plus a square g of x place and write 1. So f of x root x square plus a square into 1 dx minus integration of derivative of first function into integration of second function dx. So root x square plus a square into 1 dx value we get x minus differentiation of root function is 1 by 2 root function 1 by 2 root x square plus a square. According to chain rule, differentiation of x square we get 2x. Differentiation of a square is 0. 1 dx value is x dx. The first function right as it is here minus. So here x into x square dx by root x square plus a square. Let us observe here denominator plus a square here there. That's why one a square adding and subtraction on numerator. So add and subtraction a square on numerator. After that we get minus first function right as it is here minus one root value cancel here. X square plus a by using individual division x square plus a square by root a x square plus a square dx. Here minus into minus it will be plus a square integral dx by root under x square plus a square. So x into root x square plus a square minus here same values here there. One root get cancelled. Root x square plus a square dx plus a square times of we have one formula. This is what is the formula? Log of b plus denominator. Log of x plus root under x square plus a square plus c. So what is the here minus root under x square plus a square is nothing but I minus I. So x into root x square plus a square minus I plus a square into log of x plus root x square plus a square plus c. This minus I sending other side, it will becomes I plus I, we get 2i. This first function right as it is Here the second function a square times of log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. Okay, what is required? I is required. So divide 2 on both sides. I is equal to this 2 sending other side. We get x by 2 root x square plus a square by 2 log x plus root x square plus a square plus c. Thank you for watching. Remaining questions I will explain on next video.